Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word doctrinaire. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She dismissed his doctrinaire beliefs as impractical and unrealistic. Doctrinaire refers to someone who rigidly adheres to a set of beliefs or principles, often without regards to practicality or differing opinions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.